We're a small electronic repair shop, and we repair gaming consoles, laptops, tablets, cell phones. We do some soldering. We do HDMI port replacements and charging port replacements on laptops and different things like that. I just did a GPS device for a customer that was a little bit different from what we normally do, but we try to do whatever a customer brings in. If it's something just a solder job for a board that they took out of their car, we'll replace a chip for them if they want us to. We do some software work, Windows installations, Mac OS installation. We also do data recovery and data salvaging for customers if we can. So we try to do a little bit of everything, and most of it's self-taught, and we're always learning because every day there's always something new with technology, so there's always something new to learn. And that's pretty much mostly what we do.